What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Tonight we're going to be heading back out to the track, Cunley Motorsports Park, where we broke our car last week. The old faceplate T56 mag that we had in the white car, seen its days. And we've been riding on that transmission for a number of years. I'm pretty excited tonight, guys. We're going to be able to get some data on our shock settings. We ended up cleaning out the trailer a little bit and get things organized for once. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, we had some good things happen for us this past week with our transmission setup. Definitely want to stick around for that as you guys get a chance to check out all of Liberty's shop. I got a really cool shop tour from Brad Carroll there at Liberty Gears, and you got a chance to meet some of the builders. So if you're ever curious about what Liberty Gears, like a faceplated transmission, or even just having them fix your transmission in general, stick shift life stuff, definitely want to stick out for that video. But let's go ahead and get locked in here, where we're going to be meeting up with my buddy Mike and Dan and their 3,500 horsepower Maverick. So stick around, guys. We're going to get some footage of that tonight. Here to the track. Got to move up a little bit. Got to get the car unstrapped. Get this thing filled out right here. Be ready to go. Maybe this week we can go without breaking the transmission. We'll see, right? I gotta actually flip the slicks because I forgot to do that from my last time that we were out here. So. Put my Holly shit in here. So we're not on very much boost at all right there. Just over here, Chad. What's up, brother?
What was wrong with that trans? I didn't get a chance to watch the video.
So this is the inaugural Passenger 2023, isn't it? What about here? Had that injector? Yeah, he would have had this here for no prep when we were there Saturday. But
It's not a great day for testing.
I know, it's
49 degrees walking in here.
This guy ain't ready to race. Look at all this stuff. What's up, brother? How are you?
All right.
This is for your transmission, right?
Yeah.
Sucks the fluid out, filters it, and cools it off.
Yes.
Man, that's crazy. Woo. He ain't playing.
I'm not trying to start.
Now you putting oil through it?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, yep. About to fire it up. So that pass, we was flying. It didn't seem much different than the other passes that we went, but we actually, it was a good pass. This is about medium tune right now. It's pretty much on the same settings it was last week when we went down the track. So I'm very happy with it. I probably won't make another pass, to be honest with you, because there's really no reason to go out there and beat it up. I just needed to make a good solid pass on that tune to know that I could get down the track or whatever. But we're probably just done for the night. I'm gonna get some footage of the Maverick that's coming up. So that's one of the main reasons why I even came out here, was to support my man Dan Bosco and his sick ass small tire. Felt pretty good, Dan?
It was on the traction.
Traction control? Dang. Got them bugs out, don't it? Looked like it would have made a nice boom, man.
Waiting for the first pass out of the gate. Just A to B, I'll take it.
A to B, I'll take it. Getting ready to run up for pass number 2. That's what I'm talking. I think, like I said, I think we're done for the night with the white car. So we're gonna go ahead and load it back up after this. We made a lot of hits in it. I think we're pretty much right where we need to be. Make one more adjustment. Be ready for the next no prep event. So let's go get this Maverick going down the track. They spiced it up a little bit, changed a little bit of shock settings. Let's see if we can go A to B. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. We had a good pass on our white car. I'm very satisfied with what it did and the times it made and the data we picked up from it. And I'm super proud of my man Dan Bosco and Mike Meredith for what they've done with the Mav there. You know, getting a multiple 4-digit car to get down the track A to B on its first hits of the year, that's good data. That's a win. So from here on out, it's going to get better, it's going to get faster, and super proud of what they've done with that car. But if you guys enjoy this sort of content, leave me a comment below, let me know what you guys think. If you want to give something back to the channel, check out that join button below, as that's a channel membership for exclusive content here on the channel. Thank you guys all for watching. See you soon in the next one.